imagining the challenges of the future. How can we protect plastics in a world of electricity? People are living in large cities, surrounded by electronics. Fire is a real risk. A single defect can lead to a catastrophe. When exposed to fire, intumescent systems from Budenheim create an insulating foam with non-flammable char. No smoke, no fire. Engineering plastics need a different strategy. Radicals are active in the gas phase. They quench the flammable gases from the plastics and the fire is extinguished. The BUDIT 3 and 6 series provide halogen-free flame retardants. How can we save energy? The answer is lightweight plastics with controlled cell structures. This saves energy in the final application, as well as in the processing with less material used, shorter cycle times, and higher yields. Without foaming during cooling, shrinkage takes place. The irregular surface leads to yield losses and higher costs. The eco-friendly BUDIT F Series avoids the use of hazardous materials. How do we advance products in our digital industry? Laser technology is key. Customized barcodes give products a unique identity. Laser light creates carbonization, and the black marking underneath the surface is superior to inks. It is durable and withstands abrasion, harsh weather, and chemicals. The BUDIT L Series is even safe for food. How do we make packaging smarter? With active materials. Oxygen is vital for life, but causes degradation. Phosphates from Budenheim capture residual oxygen and preserves products longer. The BUDIT P Series provides exclusive features customized for you. How to create high-performing insulation? With absolute polymerization ingredients that prevent droplets from agglomeration, resulting in a sharp distribution of beads. This maximizes thermal and mechanical properties. The EPSOLUTE series provides superior consistency for your products. How to balance for top performance? With BUDIT T Series, pH levels can control precisely the polymer reaction. Our toolbox of ingredients optimizes pH levels, controls reaction kinetics, and more. The BUDIT T Series fine-tunes your products for top performance. What's driven us at Budenheim for more than 100 years? Creating a safe and sustainable future.